Imagine yourself in this 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet, split bench seat, AM/FM stereo, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag, and passenger airbag on-off switch. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.